Hi, today we're going to talk about how to customize the color in Tableau. So for doing that, let's first create one chart. So I'll just take the category field on the column and take the subcategory, and I'll take the sales field and drop it onto the row shelf. So after that, we can see here our bar chart is ready. So let's take the sales field and drop it onto the color field. So as you can see here, here is one color field on the marks card. After dropping sales field on color, so we can see here the the largest sales or largest bar, we can see that the dark blue color showing the highest sale and the light blue color showing the lowest sale. So for the continuous value, Tableau has the default color which is blue. So for changing this color, you just have to click on colors field and click on edit color. So after that, as you can see here, here's one drop down. So click here on the drop down and you can change the color of your sales. So here are some different types of color. So let's take it red. After that, click on apply. So here we can see our color has been changed, and also there are some different field, something like there's one stamped color. So this field split the color in different ways. So here it is default 5. We can increase it and also decrease it. So if we decrease the color by 6, so it will take the 6 different types of red color. So after increasing the step color value, click on apply. So we can see here now the color varies from one color to 6 different types of color. And here is one another field which is reversed. After clicking on reverse, click on apply. So as we can see our chart, now the lightest color is showing the highest sale and the darkest color showing the lowest sale. So this is what reversed field does. But in terms of discrete value, so this is for the continuous value. But if you want to change the color of discrete value, so let's create the bar chart again. Take the category field, take the subcategory, and take the sales field and drop it onto the row shelf. So as you can see, our same bar chart is ready. But let's in terms in previous chart we dropped the sale field on the color. So this time I'll drop the region field onto the color. So here we can see the each bar showed is different types of color. So there are four different types of region. As you can see on the right side, there are four different types of region: central, east, south, and west. So each region represents a different color. So these are some default color that Tableau choose. So for changing this color, you just have to same click on the color field and click on edit color. So after that, here is one uh, another field come up, and after so for changing the color you just have to click on the field. So here is I just clicked on the central and I choose. So here is the color, we just have to click here. So after clicking on apply, so as you can see our color has been changed. So, so also if you want to change if you want to choose the different color, you just have to click on this drop down and you can select the different types of color. So let's select the traffic light. So after selecting this, you can change the color of east. Click on the east and click on the any color and click on apply. So here the color of east has been changed from orange to green. So this is how we can change or we can customize the color in Tableau. Thank you.